Baya weaver, Lysis philippinus, local name Baya, description about 15 centimeter long. The busting activity of a breeding colony draws attention to the marvelously woven grass nest hanging down from branches of the tree. Status resident feeds on cereals and grass seeds in flocks with other weavers and sparrows. Second है Indian peafowl, Pavacrataceus cristatus, local name more, description about 100 to 150 centimeter from bill to tail, colorful with a fan-shaped crest of feathers, white patch under the eye and a long slender neck. Omnivores, eat seeds, insects, fruits, small mammals and reptiles. Status resident, very common, live in open lowland forests, flocking by day and roosting high in the trees at night. ये कौन है? ये है ब्राह्मीनी स्टार्लिंग, लोकल नेम है पोहैया, about 20 centimeter long, a little myna grey and brown above, black head and sleek black crest, reaching nape, tail tipped, white black wings and whitish eye, yellow bill and legs. Status resident, common in small flocks. They wake up early morning and sing for a while before leaving the nest. ये कौन है? हाउस क्रो, यह हाउस क्रो कॉर्कस स्प्लेंडन, local name कौवा, description about 38 centimeters long, perhaps the most familiar Indian bird, glossy black with an ashy neck, upper black and breast, heavy stout bill and black legs. Status resident, very common, gregarious. The male often feeds on female once they are a pair. They are almost the first bird. Jungle weevil, local name Saat Behan, description about 20 centimeter long, grey body with yellow bill, shorter tail and head erect. Status resident, moves in flocks, an early riser, feed on insects in litter and highly protective of its chicks. इसके बाद है उल्लू, स्पॉटेड ऑल, ये एथिन ब्राह्मा, लोकल नेम उल्लू, description about 20 centimeter long, earth brown, spotted with white, prominent white chin and throat, piercing yellow eyes. Status resident, common in parks and gardens, although nocturnal. It often sits out in daylight near its nest or roosting hole. Feed on rats and lizards. ये कौन है भाई? काला पपैया, ये काला पपैया है, पाइड कोकू, क्लेमेटोर जेकोबिनस, description है about 33 centimeter long, black and white crest, white patch on black wings and white tips to black tail, white below iris, brown bill, black feet, slate grey, monsoon visitor. Its musical call is heard from June to September, moves singly, pair or in small groups, has musical metallic call, lays egg in babbler's nest. अच्छा जी, ये कौन है? रेड वेटल्ड लेपविग और वेनेलस इंडिकस, लोकल नेम टिटेरी, description about 33 centimeter long, light brown above white below, black head, resident common often often noisy, has a ringing call, generally seen in pairs, very protective, fearless in defending their young chicks, makes nest on ground. ये टटेरी और ये है भाई वाइट थ्रोटेड किंगफिशर, हेल्कोन स्मायरनेसिस, लोकल नेम है किलकिला, रामचिड़िया। अच्छा, किलकिला और रामचिड़िया है। Description about 27 centimeter long, a typical kingfisher with a large red bill, bright greenish blue in flight. The dazzling blue in the wing contrast with a white patch at the base. Status resident fairly common. A loud croaking scream is often watered from a tree top. Resident fairly common. A loud croaking scream is often watered from a tree top. Nest hole in a dry earth bank.